one performance you're definitely going to want to stick around for is Chris Hadfield, and he's joining the Wexford Gleeks live on our show. That's coming up in about 10 minutes. So, Commander Hadfield, thank you for joining us here for Sounds of the Season, and we look forward to you playing with the Wexford Gleeks coming up a little bit later.
Yeah, the Gleeks are great. I'm looking forward to it. Thank you for having me.
Commander Hadfield is sticking around. He'll be performing with our Sounds of the Season broadcast of the Wexford Gleeks. Now, they've been practicing all week, and they'll be doing a special performance with the Commander. Claire's a little jealous over there because she wants him to come do the weather with her. But Chris Hadfield and the Wexford Gleeks coming up next. You know the song. Stick around for it. Oh, little brothers.
We need to ask Commander Hadfield if that actually happened in space.
And we are looking at the Wexford Gleeks, and the Commander is getting ready. Don't go anywhere. Stick around. We're coming back with the Wexford Gleeks and Commander Chris Hadfield here on Sounds of the Season at CBC News, Toronto.
Words are flowing out like endless rain into a paper cup. They slither while they pass, they slip away across the universe. Pools of sorrow, waves of joy are drifting through my open mind, possessing and caressing me. Chai Guru Deva. Nothing's gonna change my world. 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 Images of broken light which dance before me like a million eyes that call me on and on across the universe. Thoughts meander like a restless wind inside a letterbox. They tumble blindly as they make their way across the universe. Chai Guru Deva. Oh, nothing's gonna change my world. 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 Sounds of laughter, shades of earth are turning through my open views, inviting and inciting me. Limitless, undying love which shines around me like a million suns and leads me on and on across the universe. Jai Guru Deva. Oh, nothing's gonna change my world. 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 Jai Guru Deva. Jai Guru Deva. Jai Guru Deva. Jai Guru Deva.
Let's hear it for Commander Chris Hadfield and the Wexford Gleeks. You know what? That's it for us tonight. We want to thank everyone who came down to celebrate with us, and a special thanks to the Toronto Musicians Associations, ACTRA Toronto, CBC Radio Music, and CBC Radio 2, as well as to Keurig for all the great coffee.
All right, and we also want to thank, we have a lot of other people to thank here. We have to thank Chris Hadfield, and we have to thank the
Yes.
Wexford Gleeks, all the people here at CBC, our CBC team who put the entire day together. Thank you so much.
Everybody.
Have a good night, everybody. Remember, you can still give till the end of December. Take care.